Okay, guys, here's lesson 6.4, addition, reinforcing two-digit numbers and composing tens or making tens. How could you figure out the total cost of these two books? So we have two books here. The one about bikes is $33 and the one about boats is $19. Oliver drew pictures to help. So he drew the cost of the bike book here with tens and ones or base 10 blocks, 3 tens and 3 ones, so 33. And then he also drew the cost of the boat book, $19, which is 110 and 9 ones. Then he put them together and he put all the tens together to make 4 tens here. And then he put all the ones together. So 9 ones and 3 ones, which would be 12 ones. When we get 12 ones, we can make another 10. So look right here. We just made a 10. So we could cross that off and just add a 10 here instead of having all those ones. So now we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and two ones left over, 52. So the total cost of the two books would be $52. Another method is you could add 40 plus 12, or you could do what we just did. You could regroup the ones to make another 10. For your step up, for number 1, add the tens blocks, then add the ones blocks. Complete the equation to match. So we have 28 plus 24. I'm going to fill that in here. 28 plus 24. And then right away in my head, I start adding those tens. 2 plus 2 is 4, right? So then we end up with 4 tens. So I'm going to draw those over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 40. And then we have all these ones. We have 8 ones over here, and we have 4 ones over here. If we take 2 ones from 24 and we give them over here to the 28, 1, 2, we end up with another 10. So I'm going to cross those off here. I'm going to add the other 10 over here. And then we have 2 ones left over. 1, 2. So then we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. So 28 plus 24 equals 52. Let's look at the next page. You have some more equations to complete. 37 plus 34 is the first one. Let's do that one together. So I'm going to draw the tens from 37 and 34. Each of them has 3 tens, so we know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. So there should be 6 tens, which is 60. And then we have 7 ones and 4 ones to add on there. We can use the make 10 strategy again. So here's all those ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 4 more ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I take 3 from that group of 4 and give it to the 7, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, that gives us another 10. So I'm going to cross those off. I'm going to put that 10 over here, and then we have a 1 left over. So our answer is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71. You guys use whatever strategy works best for you to figure this out. Just make sure that you use this space to show your thinking, show how you figured it out. And then down here, complete each equation. You can use blocks or make notes on page 232 to help. So even try adding it in your head. Try doing those tens and those ones in your head first. If that doesn't work, use page 232, that working space, to help you figure it out by drawing, doing whatever you need, whatever strategy works best. I wanted to show you again how to stack using that traditional algorithm. So we can do 73 plus 18 like this. 73 plus 18, okay? The ones are over here, the tens are over here. If we add the ones first, we have 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, okay? We can make another 10 with that. So when we make another 10 with that, we put it over here in the tens place, and then the ones left over go over here. And then we add the tens, 7 plus 1 plus another one. So 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 73 plus 18 equals 91. And then for the step ahead, write digits to complete true equations. So you guys can fill in the digits in these 2-digit numbers to make these equations true. Okay, it's kind of up to you. There's a few different ways you could do it. Okay, let me know if you need help.